Hey everyone, today I'm diving into the buzzing world of making money online. Yup, you heard right. Whether you're a student looking to make a few extra bucks or just curious about how the digital gold rush works, this is for you. First up, let's talk about freelancing. Websites like Upwork and Freelancer are treasure troves for gigs. Whether you're a writer, a graphic designer, or a programmer, there's something for everyone. The key? Stand out by polishing your profile and showcasing your best work. Next, consider the power of affiliate marketing. This is all about promoting products. You share a product link, someone buys through that link, and bam, you get a commission. Sites like Amazon Associates make this super easy to start. But wait, there's more. Ever heard of dropshipping? It's where you sell products without ever handling them. You set up an online store, a customer makes a purchase, and your supplier ships the product directly to them. No inventory needed. Platforms like Shopify can help you set up shop in no time. Now let's not forget about content creation. YouTube, TikTok, blogs, pick your platform and start creating. It could be videos, articles, or podcasts. The trick is to create content that resonates with your audience. Be consistent, engage with your followers, and monetize through ads, sponsorships, or merchandise. Lastly, let's talk about teaching online. Platforms like Udemy or Teachable allow you to create courses on anything from coding to cooking. Share your knowledge and earn every time a student enrolls. Remember folks, the internet is vast and opportunities are endless. It takes time, effort, and a bit of creativity, but the potential is real. Start small, keep learning, and who knows, you might just be the next big online entrepreneur. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this useful, smash that like button, subscribe for more insights, and drop your questions or experiences below. Catch you in the next one. Now let's dive a bit deeper into each of these methods. Freelancing isn't just about finding gigs, it's about building a reputation. Collect testimonials, ask for reviews, and always deliver quality work. There are tons of resources and webinars to help you improve your skills. For affiliate marketing, understanding your audience is crucial. Create content that genuinely helps and informs, and your audience will trust your recommendations. In dropshipping, product research is key. Test products, read reviews, and ensure quality before listing them in your store. For content creation, consistency is your best friend. Engage with your audience through comments, live streams, and social media. When teaching online, structure your courses well. Gather feedback from students to continuously improve your content. Remember, persistence is key. Keep pushing forward and success will follow. Celebrate your milestones no matter how small. They are steps towards your bigger goals. Network with others in your field. Collaboration can open new doors. Keep learning and stay updated with the latest trends and strategies. Visualize your goals and work towards them every day. And don't forget to take care of your mental health. Balance is essential. Start each day with a positive mindset and a clear plan. With dedication and hard work, you can achieve your online earning goals. If you found this useful, smash that like button, subscribe for more insights, and drop your questions or experiences below. Catch you in the next